Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So for someone who is new here in my channel, guys, my name is Val, and this is my very own financial journey where I share about how I'm doing in terms of financial, what is working for me that I can share with you, anything that is related to become a financially stable or financially capable, So I'm more on the budgeting side, cash stuffing, and I'm still not on the part of investing, but I'm really hoping na mapunta ako sa part na yon na puro na lang po ako investment, no more budgeting. I mean, the budgeting is still there, but but for now, this is going to be the very first paycheck for the month of December. So, we will be ending the year na, and the next thing that you will be seeing on my video will be the last cash stuffing that we will be doing in 2023. And so far I'm really happy on what is currently doing in my life in terms of financial, guys, and I do hope that you will be ending your 2023 with a peaceful mind and happiness. So ito yung gusto kong mangyari sa inyo, guys, before the year 2023 ends. So yun. And to start with, I already mentioned with you guys that I had my promotion, and I'm so happy that there's a bit increase, and masaya naman ako sa nangyayari for now. So now guys, still this is going to be for the December 1, 2023 paycheck. And I've always put my goal in here, 30k for a bi-weekly income goal. So yun yung ginong-goal ko. But for now, I'm halfway there. As you can see, I'm halfway there, guys. So right now, yung income na natanggap ko, it's 16,700. Oh, by the way, let me introduce myself. I'm a mom of 2 kids. I work full-time. I have a side business, but the side business is not earning yet. I'm still not earning from it yet. Or if I'm earning from it, I'm like receiving it in a quarterly basis. And yeah. So, there was a question before na ano nga ba daw ang trabaho ng husband ko, or am I a single income earner? So, to answer your questions, guys, or to give you background, my husband is in the other country. He is studying at the same time working. So, with his tuitions and all the expenses there, enough lang yung kinikita niya to pay all of those. So, hindi ko siya inoobliga for now to send money for us, because I trusted him. I know na enough lang talaga siya. Actually, kung hindi lang siya libreng nakikitira sa kanyang cousin, probably negative na talaga siya, or maybe he might not be doing well in terms of finances. So I told him na my income here can sustain our finances. So, I told him na hindi ako magpapaobliga sa yung mag-send sa akin, just as long as you are doing well with your school. Kasi yun naman yung goal namin talaga. Together. Okay. So, ang haba ng intro ko, guys. So, full-time income, it's 16,700. So, let me just organize. Let me just organize our money. So this is 13 plus 2. Oops. Where is the money? Oh, 13. Ito pala. Ayan, 16,700. So, let me just move here. And by the way, hindi ako nag-upgrade. I just changed my cash envelope, guys, into something here. I hide my full name here kasi nilagay ng, actually bigay ito ng friend ko. It's a A6 size notebook, and I decided na gawin ko siyang cash envelope. I remove the ano dito, yung mga papel. And yeah, I just like it. I just like it, guys. Kasi hindi ko naman siya nagagamit, so I decided na lagyan ko kaya siya ng cash envelopes, and this is how it looks like. And okay naman ang labas niya, so nagustuhan ko naman siya, guys. Pero definitely next year mag-upgrade tayo, ha. Hanapan natin ng paraan yan kasi meron talaga akong gustong cash envelope wallet na na-add to cart ko pero hindi ko pa na-check out. So, yeah, I'm gonna save on that. Magsisave ako, guys. So, I'll start na, ha. I'll start with my cash stuffing, and for the debt, that's gonna be 1,500 plus 800. So, that's 2,300. 1, 2, 3. So, 2,300 for the debt. So, sometimes, hindi ko talaga alam if mayroon pa ba akong dapat mai-add na topic sa ating cash envelope. But most likely, I'm just gonna do my cash stuffing. Guys, regarding sa aking grocery, I decided na i-increase siya to 2K because parang twice, ingay ng aso, parang twice na ata na nahihirapan akong i-compress yung 1,500 na allocated budget ko, guys. So, kaya nga, I decided na, sige, itry ko siyang increase into 2,000, and if may sobra, good. If wala, sakto lang, at least nabibili ko yung mga pangangailangan. Yun yung goal. So, for the allowance, that's 3,000 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tapos 1, 2, 3. Ay, sorry. 3,000 nga pala to. Tapos 5. Okay. 3,500. Okay. So this will cover for my 2 weeks allowance. And most of the time talaga, guys, meron talaga akong rollover from my allowance, or meron talaga akong mga extra. So it's a good thing kasi I'm not behind on my budget in terms of my allowance. Oops, meron pa akong public transport dito, pero ibibigay ko yan sa aking mother-in-law kasi binibigyan ko siya ng transportation taxi na budget for picking up my kids. Kasi hindi na talaga kaya ng time ko na gigising. Night shift kasi ako, nagigising ng around 1 p.m. para lang i-pick up yung aking kids. And then I have utilities, which is the only utilities I have is the VECO. So it's a shared electricity bill sa aking in-laws. Then for the vitamins, 500. Guys, I really highly suggest na meron kayong isa-set aside for the budget of medical funds or vitamins or yeah, medical funds guys. Kasi just like me, parang twice na ata na always meron akong dapat bilhin na gamot. So, dahil nga na impok ko siya dito sa envelope na to, hindi ako naging negative or hindi natatouch yung personal allowance ko kasi meron akong allocated na na-save up dito. So, that's a good thing. And then, for my mom, this is my mother-in-law. Binibigyan ko siya ng 2K each month for her medicine. Then, we have the miscellaneous. That's 500. And then for the swimming class, it's 2. Wait lang. So for the swimming class, it's 2. Okay. Yan. Swimming class, this is for the swimming lesson ng aking eldest. So, I'm paying for 5 monthly for that. And then, I think that's about it. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, I have palitan ko lang muna to sa aking allowance. Ayan. So, insakto kasi meron saktong-sakto kasi yung nailagay ko dito na sobra, it's 2,700 for the savings. And what we always do guys is we set aside it in the savings envelope, and then by the end of the month, doon na natin isa-segregate kung para saan ang perang to. So, yung technique ko, so, let's say for example, I have ito sobra, 2,700 na sobra for the savings. By the end of the month, sinesegregate ko siya into my savings goal. So, kagaya nito, yung savings goal ko, 50% goes to the emergency funds, 50% goes to sinking funds. So, let's say for example, dito na 2,700. Tapos, madadagdagan naman siya ng 2,500 for the next paycheck. Kasi, hindi ko naman talaga alam magkano yung magiging extra doon. So, that's 5,200. So, yung 50% nito, sorry. Kano yun? So, let's say 5,000 na lang. Yung 50%, ay, magkano ba? Yeah, 5,000. Okay, 50%. Yung 2,500 will go to the emergency funds. Then, yung 2,500 divide by 2. So, 1,250 goes to the birthday sinking funds, and then the holiday sinking funds. So, that's how I do my savings. That's how I do my, segregation of my money para meron akong allocated na funds for that. So, let's say, for example, ito, holiday, darating na yung Christmas. So, kailangan kong magkaroon ng budget for the gifts buying. So, good thing, meron akong na-impok dyan. And because meron akong na-impok, hindi ako magiging negative this coming holiday. Meron akong funds na, may pambili ako ng gift. May pambigay ako ng gift. So, di ba? For the birthday naman, good thing kasi meron pa din akong funds dyan. And so, yung mga upcoming birthdays, dyan, hindi na ako parang dihado. Di gaya ng noon na wala akong na-impok, wala akong na-save, walang akong pang-birthday ng kids ko. So, that's how it is. Yan. That's how I do. I think that's really about it. Everything about my cash stuffing. I do hope na meron kayo natutunan for now. And if you like this video guys, please give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and comment down below ano yung plano nyo sa inyong 13-month pay if meron. And if ever, ano yung strategy ninyo kapag bumibili kayo ng gifts for your family, for your friends, or to anyone. Yun lang yun. Once you give it a like, guys, it really helps to my algorithm to reach more audience like you. And if happen you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, so every now and then you will be notified when I uploaded new videos. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Medyo mahina po yung sounds ko for now kasi naririnig po ako ng kapitbahay namin, and I do not want to hear about my money. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye guys.